amazing history of Charlie Chaplin. Charlie Chaplin was one of the most famous actors in the history of cinema. His funny walk, small mustache, and black hat made him a legend all over the world. But his life story was not easy. It was a story of poverty, hard work, and incredible success. Charlie Chaplin was born on April 16, 1889, in London, England. His parents were music hall performers, but they were poor and struggled to earn enough money. When Charlie was very young, his father left the family, and his mother became ill. As a child, Charlie often had little food to eat. Sometimes he and his brothers slept in shelters for poor people. Life was difficult, but Charlie loved performing. He discovered that making people laugh could bring happiness even during hard times. At a young age, Charlie began acting on the stage. He joined a group of young performers and traveled across England. His talent quickly became clear. He could dance, sing, and make people laugh without saying a single word. In 1910, Charlie traveled to the United States with a theater company. Soon, movie producers noticed his talent and offered him a chance to work in films. In 1914, Charlie created the character that would make him famous around the world, the Little Tramp. The character wore a small hat, baggy pants, oversized shoes, and carried a cane. The Little Tramp was poor but kind, funny, and full of hope. People everywhere loved this character. Even though the films were silent, audiences could understand his emotions through his expressions and movements. Charlie became one of the first international movie stars. During the 1920s and 1930s, Chaplin made some of the greatest films in cinema history. Movies such as The Kid, City Lights, and Modern Times made millions of people laugh and cry. But Charlie Chaplin was more than just a comedian. He often used his films to talk about poverty, loneliness, and the struggles of ordinary people. In 1940, he made The Great Dictator, a brave film that mocked the dictator Adolf Hitler. At a time when many people were afraid to criticize Hitler, Chaplin used humor to send a powerful message against hatred and dictatorship. Despite his success, Chaplin faced many personal and political problems later in life. In the early 1950s, he left the United States and settled in Switzerland. Even after leaving Hollywood, his influence on cinema remained enormous. New generations continued to watch and love his films. In 1972, Charlie Chaplin returned to the United States to receive a special Academy Award for his extraordinary contribution to filmmaking. The audience gave him a standing ovation that lasted several minutes. Charlie Chaplin died on December 25, 1977, at the age of 88. Today, he is remembered as one of the greatest entertainers of all time. His films prove that laughter can cross every border and every language. The little boy who once lived in poverty became a global icon and changed the history of cinema.